Hey, what's up, YouTube? Got a package in the mail today. I'll go ahead and just open it up and show you what I got. I've been waiting on this package for a while now, and I finally got it. It's a mobile holder. It's a tripod. Go ahead and open this up. I had the same exact tripod before, but I broke it. Here's the back of the package if you're wondering what it looks like. And I got my iPhone, so I can show you how it works. If this one wants to work. Oh, for some reason this part right here is not pulling up. It's supposed to be on the spring where it pulls up. It's not pulling up. Oops. I think I pulled it too much. Just try to get back in there. I think I broke it. Anyway, hold your phone like that. This part at the bottom unscrews, and this isn't supposed to go. That's supposed to stay on here like that. There you go. And you can mount this on any regular, ordinary tripod. So like I got an actual tripod, like a big one that's like 8 feet, so I can mount my iPhone on it if I wanted to. Sucks this thing was broke, and I pulled on it so hard I snapped it out of place, and I think I stretched the spring, so I don't know, maybe I could try to take it apart and do something with that spring, but it holds my phone for now, so that's the main thing. Thanks for watching. It's just a quick video. I still got this thing because this part didn't break. You know, you just unscrew that, it moves around, tighten it, the legs extend. You could buy this tripod for like a few dollars, like maybe like $2-3. Free shipping and handling. It might take like a month to get it in the mail. Like I said, I broke mine, so when I broke up my girlfriend, I was just like pissed. So like the slightest thing, you know, made me snap. I just took my tripod, just bam, smashed it to pieces. But no, I got a new one, so I'm happy. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.